It is Friday and I'm here at the studio. I'm waiting for Corey to pick me up. Today we're gonna go to Pennsylvania to film a commercial, and I'm just gonna kind of, well, he's running a little bit late, so I thought I would take this time to kind of show you the stuff that I'm bringing. I am trying to travel light. I am dependent on electricity, so I have this power jumper, but I'm using that with these USB ports to charge my batteries as I go. I also have a power converter because, again, I'm very dependent on electricity for this trip, and you're gonna see why. Yes, I brought a bug zapper because on our last trip when we did the commercial, we were covered in mosquitoes and I couldn't stand it. I don't think I'm gonna actually use this because it's still at the end of winter, but I'm gonna bring that anyway. Paper towels, just cause. Now I'm bringing a smaller tripod. I was gonna bring the bigger tripod, but you know, I figured I want to pack as lightly as possible. For this particular shoot, I want to get as much drone footage as I can. So in this case, I have the drone. So I have the drone there, the cover, and the controller. And I'm actually a little upset because I ordered some extra battery. Wait, where are the batteries? All right, there. So I ordered some extra batteries on Amazon, but now for whatever reason, it's delayed and it's not going to be arriving on time. So I might end up having to return those. In this particular bag here, my roller bag, I have different clamps. I put all the extra clamps in here where I'll be attaching the GoPros. And this is why I need to bring all that power. I have multiple batteries. I don't want to bring, I'm not bringing the charger for these Sony batteries because I don't think I'll need them because I have plenty. But for instance, the battery for the gimbal, I'll need to charge that. So those are my spare batteries. And I think, oh my gosh, you know what I just realized? I don't have enough Panasonic. Oh my gosh, I'm glad I checked. I don't have my Panasonic batteries. So let me go over here. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot. This is my battery charging station. So I'm gonna take that GH4 battery, and this is Canon battery. Shit, I almost forgot. And yeah, that's, oh my gosh. I almost forgot. Okay, I am so glad I checked because these batteries actually run out really quickly. So, yep, I'm gonna take the charger for the Panasonic camera, which is actually my main camera. Yeah. Which is in here. So you can't go wrong with gaffer tape. You always need gaffer tape somewhere. I have my Panasonic camera. I have extension cords, my external monitor, and extra lenses. I'm only bringing two lenses, the 12 to 35 and the 15 millimeter, which is currently on it, the Weeble gimbal, and this is my wireless Rode microphones. This is gonna go into the car. You gotta have Korean barbecue pork jerky. You can get that at Costco. And of course, 2 LED lights. I'm gonna need that. I'm actually not using that for production. I'm just using that to physically see. I have another GoPro mount for the window. And right now I'm filming on a GoPro. But in this bag, my carry-on bag, if you will, look at this, I have more extra power supplies here. I have my GoPro, extra batteries for the GoPro, and another GoPro. This is the Hero 8, and we'll be filming, we're gonna try to use some unique shots with these GoPros in places where you can't otherwise get the main camera. And of course have all the different GoPro accessories in the small part of this bag. More power banks, cards, power bank, fully charged. And this is my laptop charger and mouse, etc. And this portion of the bag, this just like extra change of clothes because we are camping. Hand warmers because you never know if you need those. It's hard to do this with one hand. Hold on. Extra USB wires and cables. And then of course we are going camping, so just in case, you never know.
Trailer itself.
All right, so Corey is finally here, right? Finally here. Finally. I could have watched the movie had I known.
Why are you always bringing up old stuff? That was minutes ago. I was late. Damn, you got to live in the mountains.
So look, I was about to bring all this stuff. I'm gonna trust his word. He said he got all sorts of electricity.
I could power this whole room.
He said he could power this room. I wanted to make sure that I have enough to recharge the GoPro, recharge the Panasonic, recharge the drone, and all those 3 batteries, and then my laptop as well. You have enough power for all that. You have overkill, yeah? Mm-hmm. All right, so I'm gonna leave this so I don't have to carry it.
Charge all of that just to what I'll have in the Jeep.
We ain't got no cicadas or bugs, so I'm gonna leave this, right?
Right.
Yeah, so I'm gonna leave.
I honestly don't know about the bugs, but the reality is that's not gonna save you.
I'm gonna take.
I'm gonna
at least take my charger here.
Okay.
Is that fair?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take that.
The inverter, you won't need it. I got one.
All right, so we're gonna see. All right, I'm gonna show you what we got here.
I actually have.
All right, so Corey got this going on. We're gonna be got the trailer, we got the Jeep. He got his new rims, new wheels, all the goodness. Okay, we got a winch just in case we get stuck. But yeah, this is what we're about to do. So we're about to hit the road. We're gonna head up to Pennsylvania, and we're gonna get some footage of all this. So we're gonna do a little commercial, and that's where I'm gonna be sleeping later tonight, right above. I'm sleeping right above the propane paint tank. I'm gonna be sleeping above the propane tank. Okay, we made it right here at sunset, and we are at Rausch. I can't pronounce it. Rausch. What is this place called? Rausch Creek Park.
Rausch Creek.
Rausch Creek Off-Roading Park. This is gonna be the campground. I guess we're gonna be setting up around here.
We're sleeping right up there.
We're sleeping where? We're sleeping right up there. And I'm gonna fly the drone. So check this place out. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and set up the drone, and then we're gonna fly it. So we're over here at Moose's Lodge in Indiantown, Pennsylvania.
That's not where we are. That's not where we are.
That's not. Yeah, it is, right? Isn't it? Fort Indiantown Gap.
But you're in.
What's up, guys? I'm over here at Moose Lodge in Pennsylvania.
Near just outside of
Moose's Lodge.
Yeah, just outside of Pennsylvania. What?
All right. Look, I'm over here with Corey and Brad. So Corey is the owner of Toro Off-Road, and we're gonna be doing a commercial for him. Well, no, we're just kind of like
we'll film. It's more like a ride along.
Yeah. With Brad here. So Brad, tell us about your YouTube channel and what we're planning to do.
So we are Prodigal Overland, and what we're gonna be doing tomorrow is as we travel, we host people and get them out off road. It's been a lot of Jeep Grand Cherokee owners, although we are not a Jeep Grand Cherokee only club. But yeah, we get people out off road and teach them how to stay safe out off road.
Yeah, and like every cliche YouTuber is like, we're gonna leave the link in the description below. Smash that subscribe button, hit like, follow their pages, links, etc., etc. Yeah. We're actually there's nobody here, but we're actually just hanging out because they got this propane heater, and after this we're gonna go camping in the cold. And
sounds like one of you is gonna be warm. Yeah,
Yeah.
the one heater, it's you guys.
I'm gonna be fine, and he's gonna be cold even with the heater, because it's gonna be in your mind.
Yeah, well, we'll see what happens. So we're gonna go to Walmart to get the propane heater. Is that what we're doing or no?
Oh yeah, we can go.
I don't have to, but we can get a fire thing going.
If you're talking about bringing Chi next time, you should get a heater. She's gonna be cold.
Okay.
That's what love looks like.
Yeah.
Bring a heater.
All right, well, look, time to go camping. All right, so we are driving in the boonies, and you can barely see anything, but Corey has some lights. Let's show him what you get the guy. Bam! Now you see everything.
Black Oak LEDs.
Uh-oh.
They just work.
Bam. Wow. Okay, so it is like close to midnight, and we just got back to the campsite. We went to Walmart to pick up some extra equipment, and Corey missed the exit, so we had to like drive 17 miles just to make a U-turn. But we're back at the campsite, and we're about to deploy the tent, and Corey is taking care of the heater, I guess. Yeah? Yep. So I don't know if y'all can see anything. It is completely dark here, and look, oh, I can see the freaking sky. I've never seen so many damn stars. That's awesome. But yeah, so we're about to deploy this tent. Yeah,
This one.
that one first. Okay.
I don't know what I did to my ankle, man. But that is the size of it.
Very nice. Okay, it's like 30 degrees out here.
It's not 30 degrees in there.
Like, what do you think it is?
It's like 30 degrees. It's like 34. Like 34.
I can see my breath. It's cold. But I thought I was gonna sleep in this dust. The other tent. Okay, so it's my first night in the Toro off-road tent. There's actually a lot more space in here than I thought, especially if I go back here. I can just kind of sit up completely. They got the little sunroof and everything. I'm just getting acclimated. I've only been in here for like literally 5 minutes. And so yeah, let's take a look right here. I've set up a battery charging station. I'm here on assignment, and we're gonna be on the trail for a while, so I want to make sure all my batteries are charged up, and I have some type of system to keep all the batteries charged at any given moment. That includes my phones and my backup truck. So I have these little portable backup, these power banks to keep things like my GoPro batteries charged up. Corey, is that you down there? I feel the car moving. I'm on top of a car, literally. And this is a big old power bank as well, so if I want to plug in, I can plug in there, turn it on, etc. For my cell phone, my drone. The drone is, we're gonna try to get a lot of shots with the drone, so I want to make sure that all the batteries are charged up for that as well. I have my bag here with all my supplies, my computer equipment, my safety equipment, etc. And then of course I'm so bougie, I have a tripod with a light on it. It's freezing outside, but we stopped by the Walmart and we actually got this portable propane heater, which is really cute. This place nice and toasty, so it's nice and warm in here, so I'm actually pretty comfortable. And yeah, so I'm gonna get situated. It's past midnight, I'm tired, and I'm gonna go to sleep and wake up and then do a report from there. Some people just are not made for camping in the cold. I am one of those people.
No, you're not. You did it. You made it. You survived.
All right, so
You're officially a camper.
oh no, I camped.
Same thing.
It doesn't make me a camper.
Actually, it does. So you want to push those two buttons right
Yes,
up.
sir.
Yep.
My
Thumb.
hands are freezing.
Push them in towards each other. Perfect. Now this is the problem that I have, because I'm 5'8". And now grab the ladder again and push the ladder over. There you go. All right.
All right, you got mittens, man.
So the way that this works.
No, you got mittens. My hands are freezing.
All right. Here. No, that's okay, because you got to tuck it aside.
That's what she said.
But once it's in, that's it. Good job.
Good. And now the morning Jeeps are rolling in.
Oh yeah, this place is probably up the track. Look at that thing. That thing has got like clearance. It's got like maybe almost 30 inches of clearance.
Guys, there is ice on the ground. There is ice on the ground. It is that cold up here.
It's 28 degrees outside.
Is it 28?
And the temperature has come up since this morning.
Am I just being a baby?
No, it was like 25 degrees this
No, it
morning?
was fucking cold. I'm sorry, it was really cold.
It was.
It was cold.
That's
Yeah.
why I told you it was important to have the heaters.
Yeah.
I wasn't bullshitting you because I know it's gonna be rough if you don't have a heater.
Yeah.
I cut my heater off last night and then I woke up maybe like 4 o'clock in the morning, cut that shit right back on.
Yep, I kept going on and off and I was like, okay, like,
Yeah.
is it overheating? Is it, what's going on?
It has an oxygen sensor also, so it'll cut off for that. It'll cut off for the reason of basically,
Safety.
well, yeah, all the reasons it'll cut off revolve around safety.